Hey guys, welcome back to another video. On the last video we make this this. Okay, now we this designing part is way too long, but the developing part is much more easy. Just you need to follow some step and nothing else. Okay, so on the last video I show you that we have installed those packages. Now we are going to using them, and so let's get started. Before starting the project, first I'm going to import my packages in here. So import Flutter WordPress as WP. Now I'm going to add WordPress equal WP WordPress. Now I'm going to add base URL. So my base URL is this. So okay. Now my URL is added in my project. Now I'm going to add the post, all the post. So if I type WP JSON, it will redirect me on the JSON endpoint. Okay, on the first glance it didn't looks like so great, it looks like so much scary. So what I'm going to do, why I'm showing the why this looks like this way, sorry. So just because I'm using JSON viewer awesome, it's an awesome tool to view JSON. There's a tons of JSON viewer, but I like this. And the most important thing is that if you click on the chart, it will show the endpoint, the route's endpoint. Okay, so now I'm going to fetch all the post. So type it's a function. Now I'm going to add feature. And it will show the list, the WP post. Now it post as WordPress fetch post. Okay, now I'm going to add the params, the post params. So use WP param post list and the context is WP WordPress context dot view. Then page num is 1 and per page the post will show by 10. Okay, now I'm going to fetch author because I want to show the author name. So author, it's going to be true. The fetch feature media, I mean feature image, true, and fetch comments also true. Okay. Now I'm going to return the post as this post. Return. Nice. Now I'm going. I have fetch all the posts. Now I'm going to fetch the image, the feature image. So as always, get post image. It's a function. So I'm going to put this. Now I'm going to I can do a function because if I didn't have any feature image in my post, so what it will show? Yeah, I can show this. Post. So if the post didn't get any feature media equal null, so what it will going to show? It is going to show the some box or something. So I'm going to show sized box, and what it's going to show, it will return network post feature media and the source URL. Okay. Now I'm going to fetch the URL. Okay, now I'm going to fetch my URL from all of the posts. Okay, so import URL launcher dart, and now I'm going to fetch my my launcher URL. So URL I'm going to add async because the data may be getting slow. That's why, because if my server is going to down, if the site is getting so much heavy, what my app will going to do? My app is showing some error. My app is go to the red error or something like that. No, we make a async. We are going to make a async condition. Okay, so if it will be best string my link. Okay, now if we are await can launch and the link will await launch our link. Nice. Else throw find. I can show anything. If you were super talented than me, then you can also throw any specific page, and you can also throw some image, or you can throw anything. I'm going to just throw this text. And you know, the concept of the without getting internet, what your app will do, this is the method. You can also do that kind of functionality on your app. If your internet goes down, what it will going to show. Okay, now I'm going to add my body. In the body section, I remove everything. You can't find anything. So where is those are in here. I moved in here as a comment section. I moved this in comment. So I'm going to make something in here, and all the magic things will happen in here. So let's start this part. I'm going to add container. So in the container, I will add my child. The child is future builder, and I'll make this builder. Now the future, what is going to be a future? Future is my fetch post. Okay, and the builder is the build context. So I will I'm going to add my context, then async snapshot, and it will show the list, the WP post, and will show snapshot. Okay, it is, yeah, it's throwing a error, so don't worry about it. It's not an error, it's just a it's a warning. Okay, so now I'm going to the magic things. If snapshot connection state equal connection is none, so what it will show, it will return the container, and the container will be none or something. You can add anything. If I'm going to copy this thing, and it will waiting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add center, and it has a child. The child is circular progress indicator. It will show the indicator. Okay, so now I'm going to add return the list view, and the list view builder. So in the list view builder there is an item builder, but I am going to add the item count, and the item count is the total amount of the data which is preserved in my database, in the, you know, it's called the JSON. So I'm going to add the length, snapshot data and length. Okay, Now the builder. So I'm going to add first the context. This context, build context, and going to add the index point, index. And so now in here I'm going to add my WP post snapshot data the index. Now I'm going to return the Inkwell. The Inkwell is the this card, this the whole item of this this body, and where all this card shows in the list view. So Inkwell. So I'm going to first, the most annoying thing which I hate the most of the time is the tapping sound. I really don't like this, so I'm going to disable the tapping sound. So enable feedback false, it will stop the tapping sound. So I'm going to add the on tap, and just print post. Later I'll show the navigation to move one thing to another page. Okay, and now I'm going to add my child. In this child I just comment this, cut this, and paste in here. Nice, excellent. Okay, if I check this, yeah, it fetch all this data from my site. Now I'm going to add each and every item. On the first thing is the title. So this is the title. So I'm going to add post dot title dot rendered. Yeah, I have two posts on my site, that's why it's showing two. So just click on the save, got the hot reload. It may take some time depending your internet, first of all your internet speed, second the server speed, and much more things. Okay. Yeah, this two item. Now I'm going to add the the author name. So where's my author name? Yeah, this is my author name. So post dot author dot name, it will show the author name. Okay, so now I'm going to add my image. So where's my, this is the circular avatar. Yeah, this is my image. So I just remove this, and then I'm going to add get post image, and the inside the post. Yeah, it's working. Look, it's working. Okay. now I'm going to add this in here I'm going to add the assert. What's the meaning of the assert? Assert is the little title, little bit the information about the post. So first I'm going to add the the another package which is named the Flutter HTML. So again, import Flutter HTML. Okay, now I'm going to add the this title, and it's quite easy. So HTML, and the data is post dot assert dot render, and yeah, and the on tap link string URL, and the launcher URL RL. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, look, it works really great. I think something is missing. Yeah, the date and time. Okay, so where's my author name? Yeah, this is my author name. Again, copy this thing, paste this here, and I'm going to show the date. So date GTM, and the font size is 14. Yeah, it works really nice. So that's it. This is the way to fetch all the data from REST API to our Android app. And this almost all all of the WordPress site has the REST API function. You can use this REST API to build awesome cool item. The backend is WordPress and the front end will be this app or something else. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this this tutorial. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next next lesson or next video. Take care and goodbye.